Do you have any doubts?
Sir, some chapters melde.
Okay, I will repeat it. Okay, you know how to draw the hexagon now. First, here we are considering 30, 30, 30 degrees this side. 30
Diagram రావట్లేదు సార్.
కనపడట్లేదా?
తీయట్లేదు సార్.
అదేంటి?
సార్
This drawing sheet is visible now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first you are drawing 30, 30. After that, I'm taking this as A. I'm measuring from here A to B. Identundo measure chesi I'm cutting here. Similarly, from A to D, I'm measuring here and cutting here. After that, I will get AB and AD points. Again, I will measure AB and cut from D. Again, I will measure AD and cut from B. Then I will join these two. Here you will get the point.
డ్రాయింగ్ కనిపించట్లేదు సార్.
See, drawing కనబడట్లేదా?
లేదు సార్, బ్లాక్ గా ఉంది.
బ్లాక్ గా ఉందా? ఒక్క సెకండ్ అమ్మా.
ఎస్ సార్.
Is it visible now?
కనబడుతుంది.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay. So, in this drawing sheet, first what I have done is, I will repeat it. So I have taken 30 here and have drawn 30, 30 degrees this side. I've taken this point as A, this point as A point, taken this point as A. From A to, I'm measuring from A to B, how much distance and cutting here. Similarly, I am measuring from A to D, this distance I am measuring and cutting here. I will get a D point. After that, AC I will measure here and cut here. AB, okay, AB I will measure here and cut here. Similarly, from A to D I will measure here, from B I will cut here, and I will join like this. After joining this one, what I will do, just I will project the points of this small ABCD points on this rectangle. From A to B I will measure it and cut here. I will get a B point here. Similarly, from A to A I will measure it and cut here. I will get a point here. Similarly, from A to E I will measure here and cut it. I will get a E point. Similarly, from D to D I will measure here and cut it. I will get a D point. Similarly, from B to D I will measure here and cut it. I will get a B point. I will join all these points. Will form the hexagon will form an hexagon by joining all these points. After that, what I have said, okay, you have two methods to draw this one, but one method is directly you can project this rectangles. This one is difficult one. Difficult one means it is a time consuming. Directly you can project this rectangle. Project this rectangle and you can mark these points. Okay. Previously, how do you mark? By measuring it, and you will mark these points and join all these points. And okay, visible parts will be joined first. I am joining visible parts with a red pen. Okay, hidden parts will be drawn with a green pen or yellow pen. These are all hidden parts. These cannot be visible. Similarly, this line cannot be visible. This line cannot be visible. Understand? These are invisible parts. These are visible parts. This is invisible part. Understand? Only you have to draw the visible parts with a dark. Invisible hidden parts will be drawn with a dotted lines. Understand? Okay, in this way you have to. This is one method. Previously I have told you, without drawing the projecting the rectangle also, you can project directly this E point 90 mm, this A point 90 mm, this B point 90 mm, this point 90 mm, and we'll join all these points with a pencil. Then you will get a hexagon. Two methods you can draw. Understand? Ima, or you able to understand?
Sir, sir. Sir.
Okay, the first I will explain the two methods. This one easiest method is this one. First, what I have told you is that is the easiest method. No need to measure and everything. It's a time. The time will be saved with the first method. So first I will take the hexagon. Take the side. Take 30, 30, 30 degrees this side, 30 degrees this side. I will consider. I will measure A, B, C, D and cut here. A, B, cut here. Similarly, I will measure AD and cut here. After that, I will measure AD, AB. I will measure AB and cut an arc here, and I will measure this much. I will measure AB and cut an arc here. Similarly, AD and cut an arc here, form a rectangle. Okay, in this rectangle, I am marking these points. This as A, measuring here from here. You get a B point, A point here, E point here, D point here, and C point here. I am joining all these points. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. After that, the given height is axis height is 90 mm. 90 mm means I am extending this one here. I will get a point A. I am extending this point here. I am getting a point B. I am extending 90 mm. Extending this point here. I am getting C point. Okay. I will get a C point here. I am extending this point here. I will get a E point. I am extending this point here. I will get a D point. I will join all the points with a freehand. A, B, C, D, E. Understand? You will get a pentagonal prism like this. Understand? Like this you can draw. In this one, the hidden parts will be drawn with a yellow line. Hidden parts will be.
Sir,
Yes. Chepandamma.
sir, please admit those who are waiting.
Okay, I will admit it. Okay, then you get like this. Okay, hidden parts will be drawn with the light. Hidden parts అనేవి మీకు ఎలా తెలుస్తాయంటే, you see the diagram, visible parts will be drawn with a red. This one is visible front part, this one is visible front part, this one is visible front part. ఇవి ముందు కనబడతాయి. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఈ టాప్ లో this top will be visible. Those sides which are back side, those are not visible. I am drawing with a yellow lines. This is not visible, this is also not visible. Understand, these are all not visible lines. Understand, or else I will draw with another pen. These are not visible, only the lead lines are okay, hidden lines are drawn with a dotted lines. Hidden lines are drawn with a dotted lines. So visible lines are drawn with a dark pens. Understand, in this way you have to draw. This is the isometric projection of a pentagonal prism. Understand? Ma, please draw using your drawing instruments. If you want, I will give 5 minutes time. Please try to draw with a drawing instrument, then only you can understand. Otherwise it is very difficult to understand. మా మీరు డ్రాయింగ్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ డ్రా చేస్తేనే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలని. రఫ్గా డ్రా చేశారనుకోండి నాలాగా, okay, I have a knowledge about this subject, so I can easily draw roughly. But if you draw like this, whenever you are going to draw with the drawing instruments, it is very difficult to you. That's why please draw using your drawing instruments. If you want, I will give some time, 5 minutes time for each diagram. You can draw using the drawing instruments.
సార్ ఏబిసిడి లెన్స్ ఒకసారి చెప్తారా?
ఏబిసిడి
లెన్స్ సార్.
మా నేను రఫ్గా డ్రా చేశాను. ఓకే, అందుకనే మీకు డ్రాయింగ్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ అది మీరు డ్రా చేసిన దాన్ని బట్టి వస్తుంది. ఏమో ఎవరైనా డ్రాయింగ్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ డ్రా చేస్తే వాట్ ఈస్ ద లెంత్ ఆఫ్ క్యాపిటల్ ఏబిసిడి? కెన్ యూ టెల్? ఎనీబడి? You have drawn with a drawing instruments capital ABCD. What is the length of capital ABCD? Can anybody? Yes.
98.
Entama? AB is how much?
50, sir.
AB is 50.
98.
AD is
98 mm.
AD is 98 mm. AB is 50 and AD is 98 mm.
92 mm.
Entama?
92 mm, sir. AB
92 mm. నేను రాసింది కరెక్టేనా? 98 mm.
అవును, sir.
Okay, Emma, she has given the length. AD is 98 and AB is 50. Okay, using this lens, you can draw this rectangle.
బాబాయ్ కష్టమే రా.
Yeah, please use your drawing instruments to draw the diagrams. Any doubt in this diagram?
ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయరా?
Okay. First, the drawing. Taking this as, you're taking 30, 30 this side. My diagram visible? నేను డ్రా చేసే స్క్రీన్ కనపడుతుంది కదా. This as A. Okay, then here AB is 50. From here I will cut 50. Okay, AB. From here I will cut 98. I will get a D. Then from here I will cut again 98. From here I will cut 50. I will get a C point. I am joining this. After that I will measure the distance from A to A to B. A to small b ఎంత distance ఉందో మెజర్ చేసి ఇక్కడ కట్ చేస్తాను. I will measure the distance from A to A. I will cut the point A here. I will measure the distance from A to E and cut a point here. A నుంచి ఏంటమ్మా
స్క్రీన్ కనిపించట్లేదు.
కనిపించట్లేదా? అదేంటమ్మా ఇప్పుడు చూడండి.
కనబడట్లేదు సార్. ఓకే సార్.
ఇప్పుడు my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First what I have done is I have taken 30 here. I have taken this and marked 30 30 inclination, 30 30 degrees. After that I have taken this point as A నుంచి ఒక 50 mm కట్ చేశాను. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక 98 mm కట్ చేశాను. After that I will get a points B and D. After that again I will measure 50 and cut from D here one arc. Similarly after that from B I measure 90 and cut an arc this one. I will get a C point. I have joined these points. After that I am taking the distance from A to B. A to B into measure chesi I am cutting an arc here. I will get a B point here. I am measuring from A to E and cutting an arc here. I will getting A point. I am measuring from A to E and cutting an arc here. I am getting E point. Measuring from D to D, ఈ distance ఎంత ఉందో మెజర్ చేసి కంపాస్ మీద ఇక్కడ కట్ చేశాను. I will get a D point. Again from measuring from B to C, ఎంత ఉందో మెజర్ చేసి ఇక్కడ కట్ చేశాను. I will get a C point. I am joining all this A, B, C, D, E. I will get a pentagon. Sorry, I will get a pentagon. After that, after this, what I am doing is what I am doing is, the given height is 90 mm. So I am taking from A, I am extending 90 here, I am writing the point A here. From B I am extending here, I am writing here 90, I am extending, I am writing B. From C I am extending here, I am writing here C point, extending 90. From E I am extending 90 here, and here I am writing the E point. From D I am extending here, I'm writing the point as D. I'm joining all these points from A to B, okay, B to C, C to D, D to E, from A to B, E to E to A. Understand? Then this form a pentagon, top pentagon. Then I am drawing the lines which are dark with a red pen. Hidden lines, okay, visible lines are drawn with a red pen here. I am drawing, these are visible parts in this diagram. Okay, invisible parts will be drawn with a yellow color pencil here. I'm drawing with a yellow. Yellow will indicates, here I am indicating it as yellow pen. Okay, yellow sketch indicates these are all invisible parts. Understand? Visible parts are, visible lines are, I am drawing the visible lines with a red pen. This one, and this one. This top total pentagon be visible. This line will be visible. This line will be visible. This line will be visible. This one will be visible. This one will be visible. The invisible hidden parts are, this one is hidden. 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 Understand? Okay, in this way, you need to draw a hexagon. Sorry, in this way you need to draw a pentagonal prism. Prism means, in the prisms you have a, in the base you have a regular polygon, in the top you have a side like this. The front view will be a rectangular shape, and the bottom view will be any regular polygon. This one is the prism. Understand?
సార్ పైన రెక్టాంగిల్ గీయవసరం లేదా సార్?
అమ్మా, ఇది 2-dimensional వ్యూ అమ్మా. మనం ముందు నుంచి చూస్తే ఏంటంటే ఇది ఒక రెక్టాంగిల్ లా కనపడుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇది 3-dimensional వ్యూ. మనం డ్రా చేసింది ఇప్పుడు 3-dimensional వ్యూ. ఆల్రెడీ ఇది 3-dimensional యాక్సిస్ తీసుకున్నాం కదా. ఓకే, ఇసోమెట్రిక్ వ్యూస్. మీరు సాలిడ్స్ చదువుతారు కదా, ప్రొజెక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ సాలిడ్స్. అప్పుడు ఏంటంటే మనము ఈ 2-dimensional డయాగ్రామ్ నుంచి 3-dimensional కి తెప్పిస్తాం. ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే డైరెక్ట్ గా మనము ఐసోమెట్రిక్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ లో 3-dimensional డైరెక్ట్ గా డ్రా చేస్తాం. అండర్స్టాండ్?
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay, can I go to the next problem? The next problem is, a hexagonal prism of base side 30 mm, height 60 mm is resting on its base on the HP. Understand? Draw the isometric diagram of a prism. Yes, he has given the diagram like this. Okay, 2-dimensional one. You have to draw this one. Hexagonal prism of a base side 30 mm and axis 60 mm. Understand? So here I am drawing, taking the drawing sheet. First, I will construct a hexagon here. Hexagon, he has constructed hexagon like this. What he has given the side as, how much? Side as 30, axis as 80. So with the given side as 30, I am drawing the hexagon. I have taken the side 30. Here I am taking the angle 120, 120. Cut 30, 30 here. Cut 30, 30 here. After that, I am drawing one line here. From here I will cut 30, 30. From here I am cutting 30, 30 here. I am joining this one, and I am inserting this one into one rectangle. Inserting this one into one rectangle, that is A, that is A, B, C, D. The hexagons are A, P, C, D, E, F is the hexagon. Understand? A, B, C, D, F is the hexagon, and A, B, capital A, B, C, D is the rectangle which was inserted. So what I will do is, again I will take 30, 30 this side. We'll take. Can anyone measure the dimension of this rectangle? Please draw the hexagon and insert it into the rectangle. Just tell me the measurement of this rectangle. गोरे भाई जहाँ को सोफा है नीचे सोफे को जो नटा कहते मारो हाँ सोफा हाँ इसे कहते दो नटा मार का हो जाओ मर गए हते ना जी कुआरी का एक घंटा है सही को लाओ ना खबर बोलता है किसे Hello?
Yeah.
Emma, can anyone tell the dimension?
60 mm or 5.5, sir.
60 mm and
AB 60 mm, sir.
BC is 55. Understand? AB is
55
60 and BC is 55. So
mm.
here I am taking 30, 30 this side. Okay, 30, 30 this side. This as A. I'm taking AB as 60. I'm cutting 60 here. This as C as 55. Understand? C as 55. AB as 60. This has 55. Then I'm extending this one, or else AB. I'm taking this as AD. Why? Because I'm taking like this. Understand? AB and AD are BC and AD. BC and AD are same. I'm taking AB as 60 and AD as 55. So now please mute your mics. So after that, from B I will take again cut 55. From here I will cut 60. Join this one. Understand? Then insert this hexagon here. From A to A I will measure here and cut an arc here. I will get a point. From A to B I will measure here, cut an arc here. I will get a B point. From B to C I will measure here, cut an arc. I will get a C point. This one is C. From C to D I will measure here, cut an arc here. I will get a D point. C to E I will measure here, cut an arc here. I will get a E point. From D to this point I will measure here and cut here. I will get a F point. I will join all these points with this one. I will get a hexagon. Understand? Emma, whenever drawing this one, this hexagon, pentagon, only all these lines should be very light. Only hexagon should be dark. The capital A, B, C, D rectangle should be very light. Understand? It is only for the construction purpose. Only the hexagon should be dark. Whenever you are drawing any diagram, the hexagon should be dark. All the other lines, rectangle, which is you are drawing, that should be very light. After that, the given height is 80 mm. So I am taking 80 mm from F. I'm taking 80 mm from F, 80 mm from A, and 80 mm from B, then 80 mm from C, 80 mm from C. This one is this side. then 80 mm from D, 80 mm from E. We'll join all these points from E to A, F to A, B, C, D, E, A. Understand? This one is the hexagon. This one will be the hexagon. Understand? Here, whenever you are drawing this hexagon, okay, here also you have some visible parts and invisible hidden parts. Visible parts are this one is visible, this one is visible, and this line is visible, this line is visible, again this line is visible. The other parts are invisible. Again, the top total hexagon is visible. The top total hexagon is visible, and these are hidden parts. These are all hidden parts. This part will be the hidden part. This line is hidden. This line is also hidden. This line is also hidden. Understand? These are all hidden lines. It will be drawn with a dotted line. Yes. Yes, అమ్మా చెప్పండి.
Sir, extended measurement and sir.
Extended pike extend is 80 mm అమ్మా. Here he has given as 80 mm.
Okay.
Height as 80 mm. Ma, you're drawing this one. Do you have any doubt? Ma, can we go to the next problem? Ma, can we go to the next problem? మా అందరు డ్రా చేశారా ఈ ప్రాబ్లము? Ma, next listen here. Next problem is the PDF is visible to you? Ma, next listen here. Ma, is the PDF is visible to you? Ma, is the PDF is visible to you?
Sir.
PDF కనపడుతుందమ్మా?
కనబడుతుంది
Yes, sir.
Isometric projection of a cylinder. Next problem is make the isometric drawing of a cylinder of a base diameter 20 mm and axis 35 mm. In two-dimensional diagram, the circle like this top view, this one will be your front view. Now you are going to draw the isometric diagram. Given diameter is 20 mm and axis is 40 mm. I will let you know how to draw this one. Okay, can you see in the diagram here? No, this one is the last problem today. Okay, first I'm taking here, he has given a diameter as a 20, axis as a 40, diameter and axis height as a 40 has given. So I'm considering here. So I'll take a scale. I'm taking the scale and drawing one horizontal line. Then I am drawing vertical line here. Then I am measuring 30 degrees here. Okay, then I am measuring is it visible? Emma, is it visible? Then I am drawing 30 degrees here. After that, I'm cutting, the given diameter is 20. So I am cutting 20, 20 here. Okay. Then again I am here, from here I am cutting 20, 20. From here I am cutting 20, 20 and joining this line and joining this line. Understand? After that, the given height, okay, after constructing this one, so using 4 center method, okay, using 4 center method, I'm drawing the circle here. Understand? First, with the given diameter, this one is 30 degrees, this one is 30. With the given diameter, I have constructed this, okay, square with a side as 20, 20, 20. After that, I am marking the center at 10, 10, 10. After that, I'm joined from top vertex to here, bottom vertex to here. These are all construction lines. From then, I will take this as a center, this as a radius. I will draw one circle. This as a center, this as a radius. This as a center, this as a radius. I will draw another arc. This as a center, this as a radius. I will draw one arc. This as a center, this as a radius. I will draw another arc. Understand? I have told you how to draw a circle in the starting today's class. After that, again I will extend How much is the height? He has given a 40. I will extend 40 from here, 40 from here, 40 from here. Is it visible? Using a yellow pencil, is it visible? After that, again I am taking 30. No need of 30 here. When you join, you will get directly 30. I am joining this one. Here I will get 30. I am joining this one. After that, from here I will cut 20, 20, or else I will extend this one with a light pencil. Okay, from here to here, 40. I will get a 40. Like that also you can draw, but the line should be very light. Understand? After that, again using 4 center method, I will mark the 4 centers here and join this center to this center, this vertex to this center. Then I will take this as center, this as a radius, I will draw an arc, this as center, this as a radius, I will draw arc, this as center, this as a radius, I will draw one arc, this as center, this as radius, I will draw one arc. Then I will join these two circle curves. It will form a cylinder in an isometric projection. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, in this way you have to draw the cylinder in an isometric projection. Here all these rectangles, lines and everything should be very light. Only the lines I have drawn with a green pen, those lines should be dark. All the other lines should be very light. Understand? This is the isometric
Yes.
projection of a cylinder whose base diameter is 20 mm, axis height is 40. This height is 40 from here to here. This height is 40. Understand? Now you can draw using the drawing instruments. Then only you can understand. Then only you can
Okay, sir.
remember it. Ma, do you have any doubts? ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, draw it in the drawing sheet. Drawing sheets or a notebook using a drawing instruments. Then only you can understand. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts in this problem?
No, sir.
Okay. So can we end the class now?
Sir.
Okay, the next class will be to you on the day after tomorrow. Understand? Those who didn't attend the class today, they will attend tomorrow. From the next class, we'll go through batch wise, only using the Cisco app, Webex app. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Bye.